Yo boys, welcome back to another video of attempting max allocation on Top Step. Before we get into this one though, check this shit out. Yesterday, straight up, I posted that I blew all my funded accounts and I went on tilt. But yo, where we at? We right back to business. Blew all my accounts, I reset that shit and we go again. I don't give a fuck, man. It is what it is. Nah, let me get this straight. I do give a fuck. Gutted yesterday, absolutely gutted. Like the rest of the day, I was just so good. But we move past that shit, right? Victims, they're the ones that complain. They're the ones that complain about everything else around them and take no accountability. Yesterday, what I did in this video right here, where I was blowing this shit, all my fault. All my fault. Take full accountability. Nothing to do with the strategy, by the way. Nothing to do with the strategy. Because when you look at the data, including today, you should have passed the funded account this week. I should have passed every single account this week, but I didn't. I actually passed the accounts 2 days ago, and I was 7 pips away from passing all the other accounts simultaneously, but I already passed 4, but because there was 2 accounts lagging, I never exited at profit. Mental, bro. But yo, that's all hindsight. That's a lot of bullshit. All we do now is we go forward, we look forward. But yo, boys, can I just say something, right? Last night, I literally spent hours replying to comments. This ain't no following. This is not no regular following. This ain't no regular following, boys. You, man, I fucking love every single one of you boys supporting this shit. This, to me, is mad. Do you even, brother, are you seeing this shit? It don't stop. Brother, it don't stop. It really, really, really doesn't fucking stop. Listen, boys, I need to speak out because there's going to be some of you watching this who have blown accounts this week. You've lost money this week. You feel like you want to give up this week. You feel like everything's over this week. You're frustrated. You're stressed. Your girlfriend's not sucking your knob no more. Sorry, I'm playing. I couldn't help it. Things are not looking good, right? But here's the honest truth. I could sit here and tell you it's all going to be okay. I can tell you it's all okay. Bro, trust me, if you guys really knew the behind the scenes and my circumstances right now, financially, work-life balance, fucking relationships, trust me, brother, it's fucked. Listen, boys, my back is against the wall more than you can even imagine. Trust me, more than you could even imagine. But you know what? I don't sit here. I'm not going to complain about it. I'm not going to go and tell you all about what the fuck's going wrong in my life or what's going wrong and what relationships fucked up and what friend and who's been disloyal and all this bollocks and how much money I've lost and don't have. I'm going to sit here and tell you, yesterday I blew all my accounts. Pain, beautiful thing. Hurts, but a beautiful thing. Every single time that we lose, we analyse and we learn lessons from. That's the one thing that I believe makes the difference between me and many people that set out to do this trading shit. They lose and they walk away and they cry and they don't analyse. They don't go over why they lost. They don't put it in their head. They don't go to bed like I did last night. And all last night I was trying to drill in exactly what I need to do next going forward and program myself. Literally try and program my mind all night in my subconscious to do what I need to do the following day. Right, so what did I do today? I blew all my accounts, shit. I wake up, I go to the gym, I run, I swim, I eat clean, I do everything that I'm supposed to do. Exactly the same whether I won and passed all my accounts or if I lost all my accounts. I reset, I get back on my horse and I go straight back to this shit. Simple as that. Simple as that. But yo, if you're watching me, I promise you, this will happen. I promise you, you are going to see me go from a trader that started on a demo account just only this May to next year in 2026. I promise you this. By this time next year, life ain't going to be the same. Life isn't going to be the same. I promise you this. I will master the skill set. I will master the psychology. I will get the job done. I promise you this. I don't give a fuck. You can tell me I'm crazy. You can tell me I'm deluded. I don't give a fuck. I believe in myself so much. A setback is fucking nothing to me. Do you know what shit I've gone through in my life? You don't even understand the shit I've gone through in my life. You think that me blowing a few accounts is going to stop me. Like I see a few, the reason why I'm saying this, by the way, is because I see a lot of people who blow accounts and just walk away and they stop. Like, what the fuck's the alternative? Like, what is the alternative? You blew an account, you lost some money, you keep on losing, you've been losing for 1 to 2 years, and you walk away. You rarely came this far to come this far. Are you fucking stupid? Brother, I have shit that I need to take care of. These are my duties, responsibilities. To me personally, I don't know why I feel this way, but this feels like a duty to me. I ain't even gonna say as a man, I'm just gonna say this just feels like a duty to me. Because I have to. It's like I want to do this. I ain't here for a Lambo. I'm not here for a Miami penthouse. I'm not here for some bullshit designer jacket. I'm here to take care of my family and the people around me. And I know that this training thing that we call trading, that we do every single day, I know this is the thing that will take me out and help me achieve what I gotta do and everything I've just told you right then. This is it. So what am I gonna do? Give up? I'm gonna stop. I'm just gonna fucking walk away. I'm gonna stop posting videos. I'm just gonna complain that I blew accounts and this is all a scam like a little bitch. Nah, brother, I ain't bitch made. I promise you that. So keep watching the journey. Whether I fail, whether I win, whether I break even, whether I fucking, I don't know, have my hair shaved off, right? I'm gonna keep on pushing this shit. Now let me ask you a question, right? Why did you get into this shit in the first place? Why did you start trading? What was it when you first started this trading shit? What was it that created some sort of belief that you was like, yo, I can do this? Okay, I can do this, but why do you want to do this, right? Then you start seeing the motivations, the dopamine starts hitting every time you hit a winning trade because it gives you that satisfaction of all them dreams and all them aspirations that you have from the beginning until now, all them things that you want to achieve. And every time you hit that take profit, it feels like another moment closer to achieving everything that you want to achieve and have as a duty to yourself. And don't forget why you started this shit. Because some of you guys watching me right now are coming from the bottom. I already know this shit. Some of you boys, I'm seeing it. Like, you're lucky if you get Wi-Fi or electricity for the day to log in and be able to drop a comment and take a trade. So what right do I have in a home with a roof over my head, heating, water, food on the table, a country of opportunity, right? What the fuck do I have? Do I really look that entitled to sit here and complain in front of you guys and get upset, crying and moan about blowing a few accounts when there's people out there who are way, way, way worse off, that have actual real life problems going on in their life? Like, motherfucker's mum's just died, bitch just left him and the house has just come crashing down, homelessness. So I'll tell you what, boys, I'm gonna keep on pushing, I'm gonna keep on rolling this shit out. No matter what the result, I promise you this. Think I'm crazy, think I'm deluded, I don't give a fuck. I will achieve everything I'm telling you I'm going to achieve. I'll pass all these accounts. I'll get 250k funding. I'll make it 10k a month. I'll make it 10k a day. I'll do a 50k a month. I'll do 100k a month. I'll do $1 million in funding. I don't give a fuck what the milestone is. Whatever I tell you I'm going to do, I promise you I'm going to fucking do that shit. Just mark my words. One thing about me, do not, I repeat, do not doubt me. Do not even think twice about if I'm going to quit. Do not even think twice. I promise you. Boys, if you only knew the story of my online business journey that started when I was 16 years old, dropshipping, social media marketing, Amazon FBA, crypto, if you guys really knew, trust me, it's all going to unfold eventually, but right now we're focusing on the main mission. And right now, the main mission is getting this shit ticked off. Now, I don't take this shit light. I ain't just trying to like pass this shit and think, oh, got a few accounts. Oh. Nah, there's certain objectives and there's certain achievements that you can achieve in life, and that's all it takes. Whether after that it fucks up, you only need to hit it once to understand that this shit is really, really possible. You can hear everybody online, you can hear somebody else tell you that they've done something that you really would want to achieve, but until you've really done it yourself, seeing that shit in real fucking time, that's when you know, like, yo, this shit's real and I'm going all in. I don't give a fuck about her, him, that shit, that bullshit, what's on the news, that politics, this fucking Netflix series, this documentary. I don't give a fuck. All it takes is that one objective, that one mission to be achieved, that one time, just a hint, just a taste. Boom, it's fucking game over. So yo, boys, I don't give a fuck. Lock the fuck in. We get into this shit. Another day, another dollar. Lock the fuck in. Boys, every single one of you that have already subbed, love. Every single one of you dropping comments every single day on the videos, fucking love. Every single one of you, I wish you the best. Nothing but success. And yo, it's only the beginning, so into the video, boys. But yo, appreciate every single fucking one of you. Big up. NASDAQ. Whoa. Yo, boys, so we're back. We're back in this bitch. The lockout settings are on. The trade fucking limits on. Everything's set. Trust me, I'm ready. I'm locked in. Let's go.
Order filled.
Right, I'm in, boys. Yeah, boys, we just go again. That's all we can do. Keep it moving. We do not like that retrace. It's like crashed. The fuck's it doing, man? Let's try again. Ah, the P&L's fucked anyway, boys. It's what it is, isn't it? It's lagging a bit here. Come on. Yesterday, appreciate everyone in the fucking comments yesterday. I was literally replying to comments for hours yesterday, like hours. It means a lot, man. Like, a lot of you boys are actually like rooting for me, and I genuinely, like, I realized, but I didn't realize it was like that much. Like, if I'm honest with you, I could have definitely went it up here, and we probably hit that 1 or 2, but. So obviously at the beginning of the trade, my blue line, my support line was up here. And obviously my entry was probably like a 1 hour down from what it originally would have been. But the reason why I didn't enter that trade today, where some of you may have, maybe, is just simply because as soon as market opened, it just tanked. And usually I find that they're not very high probability. I'm looking for some sort of a pullback before it goes to the direction I want in favor, or like some sort of time after open, not just like straight away. Then the next level that I brought it down to was here, because obviously what was once resistance becomes support. So if this breaks through, boom, we're in, and obviously that's how I ended today. And yeah, I could have had an earlier entry, but wanted to be safe. Didn't want to form a win, which is what I've done this week. So I didn't do that today, so progress. It was so quick. Right, there we go, now pushing. Alright. That's what we want. See, we're breaking out of this shit now. That's what we want. Just trade the probabilities, man. That's all I can do, innit? It's a lovely break, though. It's a lovely closure on the 5. So it's closed nice, which is good. But let's see. So look, boys, I put my stops to break even right here. I mean, after the trade has already come down this much, this quick, and finding support where support has been made prior, this just seems simply the right decision to make. And so I'm happy with this. I'm happy with putting my stops to break even. I know a lot of you will not have, but I don't need, and I don't feel the need today to even risk losing a trade. I'd rather break even than lose. So
Order filled.
Yeah. And that's that. Probably a break and retest as well by the looks of it. Anyways, just going to the next day. How are you going to tell me that this strategy didn't work? This strategy clearly worked. All it is simply just psychology. Especially with me, like, I blew them accounts yesterday, and the reason why I've blown them accounts is psychology, nothing to do with strategy. You guys know, realistically, at the start of this week, if you had a fresh combine, you should have passed. You could have passed the combine this week. You could be 50k funded up this week if you followed this strategy properly. So look, boys, I was watching this trade afterwards, and the fact that I didn't get back in, I mean, I just started watching this, like, bro, see, yesterday, pain, it stopped me from formatting back in, it stopped me from taking another entry, it stopped me from feeling like I needed to get back in. For some reason, yesterday, after losing all them accounts, we'll see how it plays out. But today, and like going forward, my headspace feels very like dialed in. It feels to the point where I'm just like, I'm really disconnecting myself from money and trying to just hold in patience and trust in the process. Because if I can get them two things dialed down, I believe that's going to make the difference. And I believe that's when I'll pass. And I literally could pass an account next week or in the next 2 weeks. Like, it's simple as that. It's just, I need patience and trust in the process and disconnecting from the money completely. And I believe that will help. And I think that's going to be the difference. So we'll see. We'll see. But right now, headspace is feeling good. I feel locked in and feeling calm. But yeah. So here it is, boys. Here's the result across the 3 accounts, the 3 new accounts. Obviously, I blew 5 accounts yesterday. I do still have my lives, clearly. They already have like a payout waiting. But yeah, today we broke even, $32 in profit. As you can see here, we signed this trade for 5 minutes. And yeah, so here we are. This is a fresh account, as I say. We go again, boys. Only the fittest survive, so keep it moving. Another day, another dollar. I'll see you tomorrow if I do take a trade. If not, I'll see you next Monday. Peace. And if you aren't already, shut the fuck up, bro. This is a. But yo, boys. If you aren't already, shut the fuck up. Go do something good for somebody else. Spread some positivity. Don't be a dickhead. Don't be a faggot. Well, you can be a faggot if you want, but anyway, do your thing. Peace.